Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe, share, like, and leave positive comment. In today's video, I'm going to make a lovely home remedy with just natural ingredients, and I'm going to use lemon, garlic, and a bit of honey. Lemon is full of antioxidants, full of vitamin C, and the skin is good for fiber. Also, it's good for inflammation from the body. And I'm going to use garlic. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic. Help boost your immune system, reduce high blood pressure, and also good for cholesterol. Also, it's good for cancer, and it's also good for dementia. Garlic also is a powerful natural antibacterial agent, and it's good for weight loss, take out all the inflammation out your body, cold and stuff like that. I'm going to combine all of them together and I will take you through the process. In here I have some salt, so I'm just going to give this a bit of wash in the salty water. Just going to wash it off because I'm going to chop it up, dry them off. So I'm going to chop it. When I chop it, I'll just transfer it to the bowl. But this I'm not going to waste anything. So you're going to use the skin and everything. Just chop him up fine. This is an old-time natural remedy. No chemical in this. All natural. All healthy. And I have some garlic here. Get a couple of this, should be enough. Yes. Let's chop them up a bit, put them in. When you've done this, you don't need to go to the chemist or the pharmacy to ask for any synthetic tablets. This is all natural, very healthy and good for your system. For some, it might not taste good, but most of the things that are good for you, it doesn't taste good anyway. My grandfather, my mom, and my dad, they use all these natural ingredients. It's even good for your skin, cleanse your skin. the thing is, once your liver is clean, it's gonna show on your skin. If your liver is not clean, if your liver is a bit intoxicated with all sort of stuff, your skin gonna look different. So get some real honey. Don't get any fake honey. Proper honey. Now you try this and you're gonna thank me. See this? Nice. This is proper medicine. All natural. Nothing fake. No added chemical. Let's put it in one of this container here. If you can look how the garlic and the lemon reacting already. The honey was very thick, and look what happened. That's how it works in your body. Clean your system out. You make your liver happy, your skin and your inside will be happy. Trust me. This will clean your liver out. Put the lid on. Look at that. This is good to go. You can leave this in your cupboard or in your fridge, and then it's good to go. Okay. What's gonna happen now? I'm gonna put this in a cup. Show you what you can do, whether hot or cold. So if you're watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Watch hot water. You know, if you fancy a bit of mint, break off a piece of mint, put it in. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers to you all. I appreciate all of you. That is nice. Delicious. Look at that. Thank you, guys. Peace be unto you all.